ஸோ ஹாய், இன்றைக்கி வந்து நம்ம வந்துட்டு என்ன ஜோடியாக் சைன் பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா, இப்போது கேன்சருக்கு பார்க்க போகிறோம். அடுத்து வந்து லியோ, அடுத்து வந்து வெர்கோ. ஸோ இந்த 3 சைன்ஸுக்கு வந்து இன்றைக்கி வந்து நம்ம வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ யாராலாம் வந்துட்டு சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலையோ சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அண்ட் நம்ம இப்போ எப்படி பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு வந்து கேட்டுட்டிங்கன்னா, past, present and the immediate future. What is the advice for you? What are the challenges for you? And what is the oracle message for you? It's also a kind of message from the oracle cards, okay? I'm using tarot traditional deck, and also I'm using நியூவாக வந்து வாங்கின லைட் ஷீட்ஸ் டேரோ டெக்கும் வந்து நான் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறேன் ஃபார் த திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் த deck, and I will be using the traditional deck for the clarification. ஸோ நம்ம ஒவ்வொன்றும் எடுத்து கிளாரிஃபைவும் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ வந்துட்டு இந்த இது வந்து எதுக்கு அப்படின்னு வந்து கேட்டுட்டிங்கன்னா, for the next 15 days, like March 15 to March 30 வரைக்கும் I'll be doing the tarot for the people of Cancer. This is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest, okay? I'm going to see for the past, present and future for the people of Cancer. For the people of Cancer from the March 15 to March 30. Show me the cards, please, for the past, present and the future. For the past, present and the future. For the people of Cancer. Present. Future, immediate future. Ace of Swords, Page of Wands. What are the challenges? What are the challenges for the next 15 days from March 15 to 30? Not to take 2 cards, I will take 1. Okay. ஸோ சேலஞ்ச் வந்து இது, அண்ட் வாட் யூ டோன்ட் சி கம்மிங் பிஹைண்ட் த சீன்ஸ் வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா, 8 ஆஃப் கப்ஸ் இன் ரிவர்ஸ், ஓகே? 8 ஆஃப் கப்ஸ் இன் ரிவர்ஸ், ஓகே? நமக்கு வந்துட்டு இப்போ வந்துட்டு பாஸ்டில் என்ன இருக்குது, ப்ரெசென்ட்டில் என்ன இருக்குது, அண்ட் இமீடியட் ஃப்யூச்சரில் என்ன இருக்குது அப்படின்றத வந்து பார்த்துடலாம். ஸோ பாஸ்டோட எனர்ஜி வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னு வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா, ஜஸ்டிஸ், Wheel of Fortune and the 10 of Wands, okay? So what does it denotes? What happened in the past abin pakrache? So something like, you know, Justice, the Wheel and the 10 of Wands. Okay, something recent pastல வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா, some changes has happened in your life, okay? For the people of Cancer, please listen carefully. The justice, whatever you wished, okay, the justice happened, and the sudden change or cycle வந்து உங்களோட லைஃப்பில் வந்து ரீசண்டாக வந்து கண்டிப்பாக வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்கும் for the people of Cancer. And the change has brought you a lot of responsibilities, I guess so, lot of responsibilities, lots of work on your shoulders, on you, or something else like that, because that is a change has happened in the recent past, and that has brought you a lot of responsibilities to you. I don't know whether you will be happy about it or not, and I could see the challenge for the next 15 days is going to be Page of Cups. Page of Cups, okay? Page of Cups, it's again about love here, okay? This is again about love. The change in your love maybe has brought you a lot of responsibilities, lot of commitments, lot of something like that, okay? Page of Cups, you cannot, challenges like you cannot able to show your love or whatever you are wishing about it, நீங்க அதை வந்து காமிக்க முடியல. That I could I could sense that kind of challenge is going to be for the upcoming week. Okay, let's clarify எதுக்கு அப்படின்னு. So what is the present energy, current energy, how is the energy அப்படின்னு வந்து பார்க்குறச்ச, you feel like the world, the queen of wands and the knight of wands. Okay, for some of the people, you feel like the energy is closed. Okay, the world, the queen of wands, the world, the queen of wands and the knight of wands. Okay, you're rushing something, I think so, because you're pastல நடந்த the responsibilities and the lot of burdens, you cannot able to handle it, and you feel like let me take a rest, I want to be myself. Okay, I don't want to take this anymore. I feel like a lot of burden on me, and at the same time uh, I want to close. போதும், let me take a rest, let me take a pass. அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு எனர்ஜி வந்து இங்கே என்னால் வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது. At the same time, Knight of Wands, somebody is playing trick on you or you are playing trick on them. Take what resonates. Maybe you or your partner may be playing a trick on you. It's like more or less like being so playful, not so serious about the relationship, something like that. Okay, maybe you want, because of that you want to close your energy with this particular person or something like that. Let's see. So currently I could feel that energy within you. And the immediate future, Ace of Swords, Page of Wands, some passionate, some inspiration I could sense over here with the Page of Wands. From Ace of Swords, you want the clarity in the future with your man, because you are the Queen of Wands here in your present situation, and I don't see your man is so serious about it, or you are not serious about the relationship, I could sense here. But at the same time, in the immediate future, you're going to get the clarity, you're going to get the truth, you're going to get the clarity. Okay, this is going to work out or this is not going to work out. அந்த மாதிரி என்னால் வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது, because there is a King of Wands is here. Maybe most of the people are dealing with Leo for some people. Okay, Ace of Swords, there is going to be some clarity, you're going to get some clarity, there is going to be some victory over here. And towards your love relationship, something like that. Okay, what you don't see coming is Eight of Cups in reverse, Five of Wands in reverse, and the Queen of Cups in reverse. Okay, and the King of Cups. Yes, this is going to work out, be patient. Okay, this is going to get worked out, because Queen of Cups and King of Cups is there. The person is going to come in return for you, because the person is going to take actions on you. Right now you feel like, oh, முடியல போதும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இருந்தாலும், but whoever the person is, because the challenges like Page of Cups, love related problem கண்டிப்பாக வந்து இருந்தாலும், what I do see coming in the he's whoever you're going to propose, or whoever you're waiting for, is going to come back. For some of the people, it's going to be like patch up, reconciliations, it's going to happen. Why is that? Because I could see the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups in reverse. This, you guys are going to work out, because King of Wands, Five of Wands is in reverse. You guys are going to work out on it. So Queen of Cups, King of Cups in reverse. Okay, nice, no? So let's clarify பண்ணலாம். நம்ம வந்துட்டு எதுக்கு வந்து justice, why is the wheel of fortune is there, why is the 10 of wands is there அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So Let's clarify the Ten of Wands in the past. Why is the Ten of Wands is here in the past for the people of Cancer? It's going to be for the next 15 days predictions from the March 15 to 30. Show me the cards, please. Show me the 3 cards for the people of Cancer. Why is the Ten of Wands is here in the past? Why is the Ten of Wands is here in the past? The Ten of Wands is clarified by the Hermit, Three of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. I could sense there was a justice, there was a wheel, and there was a Ten of Wands here. Lots and lots of responsibilities, and you feel like that is more on you, only on you, not on your partner or someone else. It is more or less like it's on you. என் மேலேயே எல்லாமே வந்து விழுகுது, நானே எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் எடுத்துக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கேன். Why should I alone take all the burden on myself? Why should I take all the burden on myself? That's the kind of question I get here. Why should I take everything on myself? Why not him or why not her? The Ten of Wands, that is what it is trying to say. Everything, see, the justice has to be fair and fair இருக்கணும். But this sudden changes, everything is on me. This cycle has brought everything on myself, on me alone. Why should I? நானே இதுக்கு எல்லாத்தையும் நான் எடுத்துக்கணும், அந்த மாதிரி வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது. அண்ட் ஃபார் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த பீப்புள் நிறையா வந்துட்டு லைக் ஒரு டெம்ப்ரவரி பிரேக் இருந்திருக்கும். ஒரு டெம்ப்ரவரி பிரேக்லேருந்து யூட் ஹவ் அகெயின் பேட்ச் அப் ஆகிறதுக்கு நிறைய சான்சஸ் வந்து இருக்குது ஃபார் த பீப்புள் ஆஃப் கேன்சர். Let's clarify why the Page of Cups is here. What are the challenge? Why the Page of Cups is here for the people of Cancer? Why the Page of Cups is here? What is the challenge? Why is the Page of Cups is here? Why is the Page of Cups is here? Why the Page of Cups is here? Stagnant energy. It's not at all moving. Yes, I don't see any kind of movement because Two of Swords, Six of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, you are offering something to some other people, but they have not yet answered to you. They are not even going to answer for you. நம்ம எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரு let's make it as a story. Okay, the Page of Cups is going to be something is stagnant. It's not at all moving. It's not moving forward or it's not moving backward. And I could see the person you are dealing with, it could be your known person, the ரொம்ப known person. The unknown person இருக்கிறதுக்கு most of the peopleக்கு வாய்ப்பே வந்து கிடையாது. Very known person for you, offering something, but this is a very stagnant energy. Very you have asked something to them, or for some people you have proposed to someone. Okay, but there is a stagnant energy. There is not moving forward, not coming backward, because as I told you, right, for some of the people you have or a temporary break you have patched up again, but still it is not moving forward. It's அப்படியே வந்து நிக்குது. You have patched up again, it's not moving forward. You don't feel any kind of emotions love towards this person because you're carrying a lot of burden on yourself. You don't know, everything is on me, அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு எனர்ஜி. அண்ட் கரண்ட்டாக வந்து யூ ஃபீல் லைக் should I seriously want to go on. I don't know what to do, because why should I நானே வந்து எதுக்கு எல்லாமே வந்து எடுத்துக்கணும் for some of the people, and for some of the people I think he or she is playing trick on me. I don't see this as a serious relationship, because after the break or something like that, or kind of cycle வந்து முதல்ல இருந்தது, that was very good, that was something fair enough, something like that. But right now, is he or she is playing trick on me? Is he very serious about me? அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு இது, because in the coming future, he is going to take a steps in the in the immediate future. I could sense that the world, the queen of, he's rushing into it. Should I take this as a serious? Because as I told you, you're going to, everything is going to be good very soon. But wait, don't take any immediate action அந்த மாதிரி. Let's see why is the world is here in the current relationship. ஏன் world வந்து இருக்கு? It's like a closing of energy மாதிரி. Why is the world is here? ரொம்ப லாங்காக போதில்ல கேன்சருக்கு. It's okay, let's wait and see. As I told you, right, most of the people are dealing with Leo. For most of the people are dealing with Leo. Because world, yes, you want to let go of that burden on your back. Most of the people want to move forward in your life. This burden is not allowing me. என்னால் வந்துட்டு I just want to இதை இறக்கி வைக்கணும். I don't want to take this anymore. அந்த மாதிரி for some of the people, I don't want to take this with me, because so many burdens is on me. This is not at all moving, is not at all moving forward. There is no point in this relationship, because the page of cups denotes என்னால் இது ஒன்றுமே பண்ண முடியலங்க, இது மூவ் ஃபார்வர்டே ஆக மாட்டேங்குது, அப்படியே வந்து நிற்கிது, அது இது பண்ணுது. I can't take this pain anymore on my back or on my friends, something like that, because many people are dealing with Leo. I could sense here. It's not at all moving forward. On and off அவே வந்து இருக்கு. Sometimes you want to ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எடுத்து மூவ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கும் போது, no, it's not. I have, for some of the people, I have some other responsibilities. I can't take this love also. அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு இது. That is what the world is trying to tell me. Let's see. Why the King of Wands is here? Why is the King of Wands is here? Immediate future, no? Why is the King of Wands is here? Why is the King of Wands is here? The decision has to be taken very, very soon in the immediate future. Like Two of Pentacles, King of Cups, and the Moon. Lots and lots of anxiety. Lots and lots of anxiety is here. There is no proper truth. There is no proper clarity. நான் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பில் தான் இருக்கேன், நான் இல்லையா, எனக்கே ஒன்றும் புரியலை, என்ன மாதிரியான ஒரு இதில் இருக்கேன்றதே இதில் something, lots and lots of illusion is happening around me. Lots and lots of illusion is happening around me. That is what in the immediate future, but I want the clarity. I want to know where this relationship is heading. I need the decision, because there is a lot of imbalance in your love life. Lot and lot of emotions, lot and lot of illusions. Where this is taking me, I don't even know. என்ன நடக்குது என்ன சுத்தி, I don't even know. Something is happening, I don't know, but what it is happening. Okay, let's see what's the advice for you. What's the advice for the people of Cancer? What's the advice for you? You want to end this relationship from எனக்கு போதும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இருக்குது. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஃப்ரம் யுவர் பார்ட்னர் சம்திங் லைக் தட். ஓகே, ஐம் அண்டர் லாட் ஆஃப் illusions. I don't know what to do. See what's the advice. The advice for the people of Cancer is the Emperor and the Hermit and the Chariot. For some of the people, it could be Aries. Okay. Go within yourself. Try to ask what it is happening. Go within yourself. Have some awakening within yourself. Why it is not happening? ஏன் அந்த மாதிரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு go within yourself and take the answers within yourself. Have the proper stability. ஒரு imbalance, lot of imbalancing என்னால் வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது. And move forward regarding your relationship or regarding anything, whatever resonates with you. What's a message you want to tell for the people of Cancer? What's a message you want to tell for the people of Cancer? What's a message you want to tell for the people of Cancer? See from the higher perspective. Wait for the important information. Set your sights higher. I could sense, wait for the important information. That is, important information is on the way for the people of Cancer, because நம்ம பார்த்தோம்ல ரிவர்ஸில் வந்துட்டு King of Cups, Queen of Cups is there. You guys are not taking any kind of actions. You don't see this as a very important relationship. Only if you see this as an important relationship, then things will get work out. So this is advice for you guys, for the people of Cancer. Hope you like it. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to take personal readings. Description boxல எல்லாமே வந்து கீழே இருக்கும். என்னோட Instagram page and என்னோட WhatsApp number இருக்கும். You can take personal readings. Personal readings are paid. You need to pay for the personal readings. Thank you so much. Spread on the love.